Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Amazon using two-step verification, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Amazon website. Log into your Amazon account using your email address and password. Once logged in, go to the Account and Lists section at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on your account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and locate the Login and Security option. Click on it to access your account security settings. Under the Two-Step Verification 2SV section, find the option to edit. Click on Edit to start setting up two-step verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the process. You will first be prompted to enter your mobile phone number. Choose whether to receive your verification codes via text message or voice call. After entering your phone number, click Send Code. Check your phone for the verification code sent by Amazon. Enter the code into the provided field on the web page. After entering the code, click Verify. Once verified, you will have the option to enable two-step verification. Click on Enable to activate this security feature. You may also be given the option to set up backup methods for receiving codes. Consider adding a backup phone number or an authenticator app for added security. If you choose an authenticator app, download it from your mobile app store. Scan the QR code displayed on the Amazon website with your app. Once paired, the app will generate verification codes for your account. After setting up your backup methods, confirm the changes on the Amazon page. You will see a confirmation message indicating that two-step verification is now enabled. From this point forward, each time you log into Amazon, you will need to provide a verification code. Feel secure knowing your account is now better protected against unauthorized access. If you ever need to disable two-step verification, return to Login and Security and follow similar steps to turn it off. Congratulations, you have successfully set up two-step verification for your Amazon account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.